Multiplying a fraction by another fraction. If you're given a task like this, like in this example, where you're asked to simplify (3/4) multiplied by 1/4. Now, how do you do this? Solution. Since they are both in fraction, you multiply the numerators and then the denominators. That is, from 3/4 multiplied by 1/4, we then write it as numerators multiplied by numerator, that is 3 times 1. And then when we multiply the denominator, we'll have 4 times 4. Now, 3 multiplied by 1 will give us 3. And 4 multiplied by 4 will give us 16. Now, check your solution to see if there is any factor. In this case, we have 3 and 16, which do not have any common factor. So that is, this fraction is already at its lowest term. Remember to always bring your fraction to the lowest term when you get your solution. So in this case, our answer is just 3/16. Thank you.